Welcome back to Magic Kingdom. We are so excited to share our second day at Magic Kingdom with you. So let's enjoy a beautiful day. The sky is blue, the castle looks amazing, and we are so excited for an awesome day.
So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds away. I know someday we'll have to stay, but where will we go today?
Good morning. We are headed to Magic Kingdom for the second time on this trip. It is day 5 for us. We've had an awesome trip so far. We just got through security at the Polynesian Resort. We did our temperature screening. We went through security and now we're waiting on the monorail. That is one great thing about staying in a Disney resort. You can go through security at your resort before you get on the monorail. Not every resort. And it makes it a lot easier when you get to the park. So now as soon as we get to Magic Kingdom, we can go straight in.
We're in Monorail Peach. It's a new monorail and it's got this fancy little decal up here. It seems like they're running mainly new monorails. The seating is like a suede-ish, leatherish. I don't know, but I'm sure some expert will know what kind of material this is. It's definitely easier to clean and wipe down. We again have our own monorail cart, so I say that they're doing a great job on the monorails.
Okay, we just went through the turnstiles here at the Magic Kingdom, and we are starting day 2 of this trip at Magic Kingdom. And just like the other day, Mickey and Minnie and all the friends are outside greeting the guests as they come into the park. You know, some people claim that you can't come to Disney World with all this pandemic coming on because it's going to lose its magic. I would completely disagree with that statement. I dare anyone who says that to come walk down Main Street and look at that castle and listen to the music, hear the friendly hellos from the cast members, seeing Mickey Mouse right in the front. I don't think Disney can lose its magic, not because of a pandemic especially. Walking by the Casey's Corner, which is unfortunately closed right now. The famous piano, not open either. Also closed is Crystal Palace, which is a great restaurant to see Winnie and the Pooh and all of his friends, Tigger, but alas, currently closed. Entering Adventureland, our strategy this morning is to go straight to Jungle Cruise, wait in that line before it gets too hot.
What's the Jungle Cruise? Let's go check it out.
Okay, we're walking toward Jungle Cruise. The wait line says 5 minutes. That'll be nice. Social distancing on the ground. Hand sanitizer available. So normally you're packed in these ropes, but so far there are ropes that are separating the rows, and so only certain rows of the line are open. So we'll walk down, observe the decals of this line, and then we'll note, rather than immediately turning back, there are rows skipped. So being here right at park opening, basically no line. So we're able to walk almost right on to the Jungle Cruise. Okay, so the first group is coming on. There's plexiglass separation on the boat. We're still waiting here behind the green line until they wave us forward. All right, we are now moving forward.
Come on aboard. On second thought, come on excited. Makes things a little bit more interesting that way. Yeah, better to be overexcited than to be overboard. Thank you. It's just a quick boat orientation. If you look up, this is the top of the boat. If you look down, that's the bottom. In fact, anytime they switch, swim. Yeah, now by a show of hands, who here knows how to swim? Yeah, everyone look around. Those are your flotation devices. Yeah, thank you so much. Well, folks, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous for being famous around the world. My name is Skipper Katarina. That's first name Skipper, last name Katarina, but you can call me Skipper Katarina for short. And for the next 10 days and 9 romantic nights, I will be your skipper, your tour guide, your lion tamer, snake wrangler, monkey wrestler. But if y'all don't laugh at my jokes, swimming instructor. Ambushes. I heard they're very popular on the front. Oh, no. Oh, get back, get back, get back. Get back, get back. You're living on the trail. You're the children on shield. I mean, shield the children. Shield the children. And we made it. Good job, guys. And just in time so you can look like we're approaching the waterfall. The fantastic thing I found around the world. The backside of water.
Well, we just saw the backside of water, everybody. We just got off of Jungle Cruise and we went straight here because on our first day, the line was kind of long and it was just so hot, and it's a hot line. So we came straight here this morning. We didn't have to wait but about 5 minutes. We got on the boat. They had the boat separated with clear partitions, but everything else was the same. The jokes were still just as corny, and I thought it was really great. We love the Jungle Cruise. We are about to ride for quite possibly the last time for us, Splash Mountain as it stands today. We're so excited. I see a lot of empty boats going, so I'm guessing there is no line. So let's go check it out.
Splash Mountain. Social distancing markers begin outside of the main queue. And this morning, the wait time is only 5 minutes. Good morning. There are hand sanitizers in the line as well. So the line to the Splash Mountain gift shop is actually longer than the line to actually ride Splash Mountain. People trying to stock up on Splash Mountain gear. We're gonna go to Brer Rabbit. Yeah, that's this way. And just as a precaution, yep, you may get wet. A 50-foot plunge is ahead. If you choose to ride, you must remain seated or else you'll fall out. Kind of surreal to walk through this cave and nobody else around us. Plexiglass partitions between the two sides of the line. Good morning.
Guys, all the way down.
Right here, hon. This boat, any row, okay? Any row.
Looking for trouble if you ask me.
Please don't bring me in that brand patch. Home sweet home is the lesson today. Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson. The brown patch is where you were born, and the brown patch is where you're gonna stay. What?
We just rode Splash Mountain for what might be our last time to ride it as it stands today, and the rabbit always finds his hiding place. So they did a good job social distancing the boat. Actually, we were the only people on our boat, but we looked with multiple families and they have seats in between. So they did a good job, and we will say farewell to Brer Rabbit, and we will welcome Tiana when she comes. We're so excited.
So we just had a little bit of a Dole Whip as a break, and we're now walking over toward Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. And I have to say, so far this morning, crowds seem a little bit less than they were when we were here just a few days ago. So lines are pretty low. The population of the park is pretty sparse at the moment. So it looks like we're gonna enjoy our day here at the Magic Kingdom. We're going back to Peter Pan for only a 5-minute wait. Oh look, it's landed on my microphone. Going back on Peter Pan. Alright, after Peter Pan, we're now moving towards the carousel. And then looking toward New Fantasyland. It is pretty sparse in this area. The Friar's Nook is one of those places that is not open. It is closed. Also closed is Storybook Treats Ice Cream. Okay, so Monica does not like the teacups, so I'm going to take the girls and we're going to go spin around in plastic cups. Yeah! Okay, we are in line for the teacups and we see the green social distancing markers. So they just made an announcement. They're going to do a deep cleaning of all of the teacups. And you can see the gentleman with the spray. He's spraying every one of the teacups to make sure that everybody has a clean, safe environment to ride this ride. It causes a few delays in the ride, but you know, when we're talking about guest safety and health, you can't do too much. So I applaud Disney for taking these extra steps to keep their guests safe. Okay, the teacups have been disinfected and social distancing has never really been a problem on the teacups. You're basically confined to your own cup per party. You're never really mixed with others, so there's not a ton of extra barriers that Disney has had to do with this ride. But other than the markings on the ground that keeps us separated in the line, not a lot different about the teacups.
Bye-bye! We're at the Ye Olde Christmas Shop, which is right across from the Hall of Presidents. And these ornaments are all from various rides or lands around Disney. There's Soarin', the Seas with Nemo, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, Tiki Room, Space Mountain, Haunted Mansion, the Castle, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I mean, Small World's really pretty too. This is awesome. Which one will we choose? So we have a Disney tree at home, so we get really excited about ornaments. The Guardians of the Galaxy mixtape. That's awesome.
The Bowen.
Oh, the Bowen is cute. A lot of Mickey and Minnie ones. The Allison's cute. We're at the Main Street Confectionery and I'm getting a little snack for the day. What did you get, Zuffy?
I got that.
The Rice Krispie treat with the sprinkles. Ooh, that looks delicious.
My favorite treat at Disney World, a Rice Krispie treat with chocolate and M&M coverings on top of it. We got it from the Main Street Confectionery. It is delicious. Fabulous.
What about yours?
Mine's the same thing.
What about you?
I got the sprinkles covering the chocolate, and it's a Rice Krispie treat.
How is it? Good?
Yeah.
Kid approved. Well, I have to say we're having a nice moment right now. Before we came back to Disney, I said I just want to sit on Main Street USA. I don't care if we don't do anything else. And right now, that's what we're doing, kind of. We're right in front of City Hall, which is kind of taped up with construction, watching the characters, watching people go in and out, an empty park, eating a Rice Krispie treat, just soaking it all in. I think it's important when you come to Disney to take a moment and soak it all in. Remember that you're at Disney World. You're at the happiest place on earth. It doesn't have to be all hustle and bustle and run and go, go, go. You just relax a minute and remember you're at Disney World. That's exciting. And that's exactly what we're doing right now, and it's kind of perfect.